The ocean was a deep, inky black, the kind of night that makes you feel like you're the only person in the world. The waves crashed against the shore, a rhythmic roar that was both terrifying and strangely comforting. I stood there for what felt like hours, watching the storm brew. And then it hit. A bolt of lightning split the sky, followed by a deafening crack of thunder. I laughed, a wild, unhinged sound that echoed my excitement and fear. This was it, the moment I'd been waiting for. The air crackled with energy, the same energy that had been building inside me for weeks. I'm not sure if it was the storm or the drink talking, but something inside me snapped. In that moment, I knew I couldn't keep holding back. I had to let go of my fear and embrace the chaos. You see, I've been working on this book for months, pouring everything I've got into it, but as the deadline approached, I started to panic. What if it wasn't good enough? What if no one cared about my story? The fear of failure was crippling me, making it hard to sleep, hard to concentrate, hard to breathe. Then I went to the beach that night, hoping the solitude and the sound of the waves would calm me down. But instead, the storm took over, and with it, so did my anxiety. But then something strange happened. As I stood there letting the wind and the rain wash over me, I felt a sense of calm wash over me. It was as if the storm was taking all my fear and replacing it with something stronger, something more powerful, a sense of determination. I realized that fear had been holding me back, keeping me from truly letting go and embracing the chaos of creation. But now I was done. Now I was ready to finish my book, to put everything I had into it and see what happens. Because here's the thing, we can't control the outcome, but we can control our actions. We can choose to let go of our fear and embrace the chaos, knowing that whatever happens, we'll be okay. So here are 3 AI tools that will help you do just that will help you create without fear and without limits. Number 1, Jasper. I use Jasper for all my writing, from blog posts to scripts to, well, you name it. It's an amazing tool that helps me get my ideas out of my head and onto the page. Number 2, Runway. Runway is a game changer when it comes to video editing. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, you don't need to be a video editing expert to create stunning videos. Number 3, Adobe Firefly. Adobe Firefly is an AI image generator that allows you to create beautiful images with just a few clicks. These are just a few of the tools that I use to create every day. And if you're a marketer, you need these tools in your life. They'll help you create content that resonates with your audience, that connects with them on an emotional level. But remember, technology is just a tool. It's up to you to wield it with the right mindset. Let go of your fear, embrace the chaos, and create without limits. After all, that's where the magic happens. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more inspirational AI marketing videos.